In this short video, I'm going to introduce a function in Excel that's very useful called the flash fill. Let's look at example here. I have full name in column D. I wanted to separate first and last name. Let me type in first name for the first two people, and then while this cell is active, I can use flash fill, push enter, and use flash fill to fill out the remainder of the information. Similarly, I can type in the last name for the first two people and using flash fill to fill out the remainder of the column. So click, make sure the cell is active in the cells already enter information, and click fill, flash fill. And Excel automatically fill up the last name. That's it. Let's look at another example here. So suppose I want to create email address for the list of people. All I need to do is create the first two email addresses. So suppose last name followed by xyz.com and 1xyz.com. And I do not have to type all the email address. All I need to do is flash fill. Then Excel will fill up the email addresses for the remainder of the names. Thanks for watching.